In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google fonts, or really any font, to Canva. Let's dive right in and get your creative projects to stand out with customized typographic flair. First, we need to head over to Google Fonts. Using Google Fonts is a fantastic way to access a wide variety of typefaces that are free and easy to use. Open up your web browser and go to fonts.google.com. Here, you're going to be able to browse through an extensive library of fonts. The interface is very user-friendly, allowing you to filter by categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and more. Take your time to explore and find the perfect font that speaks to your design needs. Once you've found a font you love, click on the font name to see more details about it. You will notice an option that says Get this font. Click on this button, which essentially simplifies the process of organizing your font selection. Following that, you'll be directed to the download page. Click on the download button to get the font file onto your computer. This file usually comes compressed, so you'll need to extract it before you can use it. With your font file ready, let's move over to Canva. You need to have a Canva Pro account for this step because font uploading is a feature exclusive to Canva Pro. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the sidebar and click on Brand. This is where you manage your brand kit, which includes fonts, colors, and logos that you frequently use. Now inside the brand kit, look for an option that says Add New and click on it. This will prompt a drop down where you can choose to upload a font. Clicking Upload a Font will allow you to select and upload the font file you downloaded from Google Fonts earlier. Ensure that the file you choose is either a .ttf or .otf format, as these are the formats Canva supports. After the upload is complete, your new font should now be a part of your brand kit. You can use it in any of your Canva designs by selecting it from the font drop-down menu in your design editor. This is an excellent way to maintain brand consistency or simply add a personal touch to your projects. And that's it! You've successfully added a Google font, or any font really, to Canva. This little customization can go a long way in making your design projects look more personalized and aligned with your unique style. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your creative journey. Happy designing!